What's up everybody out there in YouTube land, how you doing? So in this particular video I want to show you how to crack a couple of nuts. First is you need some combat boots and a willing participant. Actually that's a bad joke. During the holiday season I always end up getting a whole bunch of different types of mixed nuts. And for most people they go out and they buy them and they've already been shelled, and so when you present these to them they don't even know what they are, right? So let alone being able to figure out how to open them up. So let's go ahead and give some examples on how to do this. So first off, this is an almond. This is what almonds look like, okay? And almonds are pretty straightforward. Just off, you want to go ahead and on the side of these, you want to go ahead and kind of give it a little bit of force to kind of crack it just like that. Okay, you don't want to go too far because you'll end up cracking the nut. Then you end up, there you go. There's your almond. Okay, we can go ahead and put this to the side. That's cake. Then we end up having a walnut. And a walnut, you could use this if you wanted to. You can also end up putting two in your hand and crack them like that if you wanted to. But instead, if you look at the top of it, there's actually an opening right here, right? Nothing on the bottom, but on the top. So if you take a knife and you just kind of put it in here, being careful not to cut yourself, and just give it a turn like that, you can pop these guys open. Let me go ahead and crack it open a little bit more by turning this, okay? And there we go, we've got our walnuts open. And you're going to find that there's part of the hull still inside here. They give you this little gadget right here to get the walnut out, okay? So then we have our pecans, okay? And the pecan, what you want to do is you want to work on the outside, okay? Don't go in the center. You want to go on the outside, okay? And when you go on the outside, it'll crack like that, okay? Then go the other outside, do the exact same thing, okay? And now you can see we got the ends open, right? We're going to give this just a little bit of a crack, barely putting any tension on it at all. And crack that open, take out what looks like a little brain. There we go. So this is one half of the pecan. Okay, there's usually a little bit of hull material inside here, right here in the center. Take that out. So, oh, I just put these over in the walnuts. We need those over here. So let's do another one. Pecans are usually the ones that people have the hardest time with. Okay, so once again, we did the outsides like that. This time the shell had broke all the way through, so I didn't have to crack the center. Okay, and then so right here we have our completed pecan, and I keep putting it over there. Why am I doing that? Okay, and then we have to take out this portion of the hull. There we go. How close were you paying attention? Do you remember how to do the walnut? I hope so. You can go ahead and just jam a knife in there, crack it open like so. We got this guy open. And of course, once again, an almond. Doing it from the side here. And we're going to be just giving it a little bit of a crack like that down the side. That will generally pop it right open. There's our almond. Anyway guys, that's that. That's how you go about cracking nuts. Open them up, shelling them. And all this is trash, you know, obviously. Even though you could grind this up, and there are things that you can use it for, but obviously not eating. But anyway guys, that's that. Till next time. Talk to you later.